Yes, hello children. I am sure you are perfect with the theorem we have done in the previous video. And the theorem was the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. This was your theorem. And this theorem statement can be extended to, instead of sides, you can write medians. Instead of medians, you can replace it by altitudes. Means this is applicable to altitudes. Right. This is applicable to altitudes, medians and sides. Means the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding medians or corresponding altitudes. So like that we can prove these things also. Anyhow, you may note down these 1, 2, 3. Write the statement again. Instead of sides, you write medians. Write the statement again. Instead of medians, you write altitudes and read it again and again. Based on that, we are going to have a problem today, and you may have a look. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Let me draw. Solution. This is triangle ABC. And this is triangle DEF. Alright. What is, these two are similar. What is BC? 3 centimeters. What is EF? 4 centimeters. Now he says the area of ABC is 54 centimeters square. What is the area? So even though you have no idea what the other sides are, still you are able to find the area of the next triangle if you know the area of the previous triangle and if you know that they are similar. Now I will write clearly what? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to, I will write AB square by DE square. This is of no use to me. BC square by EF square. This is useful to me. Is equal to AC square by DF square. This is of no use to me. I can use only these two things. Now I will say, therefore, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square by EF square. This is area. This is area. What is area of triangle ABC given to you? 54. By area of triangle DEF we have to find is equal to what is BC square? 3 square. By what is EF square? EF square is what? 4 square. So now what am I going to do? Cross multiply. So area of triangle DEF, area of triangle DEF into 3 square is how much? 9 is equal to 4 square is how much? 16 into 54. 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54. So area of triangle DEF is equal to 16 6 are 96 centimeters square. Children, I am sure you understood this rider, which is a problem based on the theorem. So you can pause the video and we'll do more of these questions. Alright. Yeah, children, next beautiful question. The areas of two similar triangles are 81 centimeters square and 49. One is bigger and is smaller respectively. If the altitude of the bigger triangle is 4.5 centimeters, find the corresponding altitude of the smaller triangle. Alright, let me draw the triangle for you. First one is bigger. To make you understand, I am drawing this triangle whose area is 81 centimeters square. The second one is smaller, 49 centimeters square. I will call this as ABC DEF. Now I have to bring altitude into the picture. Let me call AD as altitude. Let me call DG as one more altitude. I will say AD is altitude of triangle ABC. What is AD given to you? Given bigger triangle, altitude is 4.5 centimeters. DG is the altitude. DG is the altitude of triangle DEF that we are going to find. DG you are going to find. What else is given to you? Area of triangle ABC is given as 81 centimeters square. Area of triangle DEF is given as 49 centimeters square. And what is given to you? Also triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. That is something important to me. That is given to me, is it not? When two triangles are similar, the ratio of area, so area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF, the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding, instead of sides I can write altitudes. So is equal to AD square by what is the corresponding altitude? DG square. Now what is area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC is 81. But what is area of triangle DEF? 49. Both of them look to me as a perfect square. AD square. AD square. What is AD given to me? AD is given as 4.5. Yes or no? AD is 4.5. What is DG? DG we do not know. 4.5 whole square by DG square. I will say take square root both sides. Take square root on both sides. So when I take square root on both sides, square root of 81 is 9. What is square root of 49? 7. And instead of 4.5 square, I will get 4.5. But instead of DG square, I will get what? DG alone. Alright, so let me cross multiply. Shift this here, shift this here. So I will write DG is equal to 7 into 4.5. 7 into 4.5 by what do I have? 9. Now 9 ones are 9 5s are 45, but because you have point, I'll write 0.5. So what is DG is equal to 0.5 into 7. What is 0.5 into 7? 3.5. So therefore DG is equal to what? 3.5 centimeters. So that was a very simple straightforward question. You generally get this question for 2 marks. I want you to pause the video and then copy the problem. We'll go for the next one. Alright. Children, next. A fabulous question in front of you. In triangle ABC, XY is parallel to AC. B is indicated like this. And this speciality is XY divides triangle in 2 equal parts. Means this area and this area is equal. Alright. Find the ratio of AX by XB. Now that is a little complicated. First try to understand. Given XY is parallel to AC. It implies triangle XBY, Triangle XBY is similar to triangle XBY, means similar to triangle ABC. So these two triangles are similar. Why these two triangles are similar? These two are parallel. If these two are parallel, this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. I must mention that is reason angle X is equal to angle A. Angle X is equal to angle A. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. Angle Y is equal to angle C, corresponding angle, and angle B is equal to angle B. It is a common angle. So as per the angle criteria, these two triangles are similar. So what? The next theorem. If the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Alright. So we have to use that. For that, the condition is also given to you. Also, what is also? That this line divides this triangle into 2 equal parts. Means area of triangle ABC, if I want to find the area of triangle ABC, that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle BXY or XBY, area of triangle XBY, area of triangle ABC is equal to this area plus area of, what figure is this? That is a trapezium. Alright, so area of trapezium AXYC, but this and this have equal area. So what will I write? Area of triangle ABC, is equal to area of triangle XBY plus area of, instead of trapezium AXBY, this area is equal to this area. So it is area of again triangle XBY. So what will you get? Area of triangle ABC, is equal to 2 times area of triangle XBY. So area of triangle ABC by what? Area of triangle XBY is equal to 2. Is it not? Is equal to 2. Now we have the statement. The ratio of areas of these two triangles is similar. So ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of the corresponding sides. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle XBY is equal to AB square by XB square. So I will write this as AB square by what will I write? XB square is equal to 2. Now is it not? As per the previous theorem. So AB square by XB square is equal to, now take square root. When I take square root, AB by XB is equal to what will you get? Root 2. Now what will I say? Subtract 1 on both sides. So I have AB, out of AB I want to deduct XB. So in order to deduct something I have to subtract 1. AB by XB minus 1 is equal to root 2 minus 1. So let me take an LCM, XB. So LCM is XB and ultimately I take AB minus XB is equal to root 2 minus 1. Where is AB? AB is here. Out of AB if you remove XB, what you are left with? AX. So therefore AX by XB is equal to root 2 minus 1. So it's a very nice problem, children, usually not covered in your schools. So I want you to make this as a special note and practice this again and again, because so many things are involved here, especially this part. Clear? So I'm sure you're following, you're copying the notes and maintaining a fair notes as well. And if you're having any doubts, please do not forget to mention in the comment section. And you are not hitting the like button, please do like my videos. Bye bye.